Jai Srimanarayana. 655th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 69th Sloka. Om Kesighne Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha Sri Rangesa Purohitaha Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Kesighne Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are the one who killed the demon whose name is Kesi. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Kesighne Namaha. Om Kesighne Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Sugriva sending some of the Vanara soldiers towards southern side to search for Sita Devi. He is giving some suggestions to them, saying that, "Oh my dear soldiers, you have to search each and every place for Sita Devi. You have to go to Sakhya Parvatam. There you have to search for Sita Devi. From there, if you go further, you will see Kaveri river. You have darshanam of Kaveri river. And from there you reach Malaya Parvata Sikharam. There Drakshadha Aditya Sankasam Agasthyam Rishisattamam. You can see, you can have darshanam of Agastya Mahamuni, who will be glowing like Surya Bhagavan. You get his darshanam. And then after getting his blessings, from there you reach Tamraparni Nadi. From there you go to Pandyanagaram. And then you reach the south side of bank of ocean. And then you all decide how to cross that ocean. Oh my dear soldiers, Agastya Mahamuni, in the past, he kept one Mahendra Parvatam in that ocean. To that ocean and to that mountain, Mahendra comes on every festival day and takes Samudra Snanam. Now you will see other bank of that ocean, there is a huge island. Tatra sarvatmana Sita margitavya visheshataha. Oh my dear soldiers, in that island, everywhere definitely you have to search for Sita Devi very carefully. You should not be leaving any place. You know why? That is what is the place of Ravana, whom we are thinking of killing. That Ravana lives in that island. Oh my dear soldiers, now in this ocean there is one Rakshasi. Her name is Angaraka. And this Rakshasi drags the people just by holding their shadow and eats away them. Oh my dear soldiers, Wherever you feel that the place is suspectable place, do not leave them. You have to search everywhere. And from there you reach Girihi Pushpitako Nama. There is one mountain, Pushpitakam. There you will see golden Sikharam. That Sikharam cannot be seen by Natam Krutagnaha Pasyanti, na Nrusamsa, na Nastikaha. Ungrateful people cannot see that golden Sikharam. Cruel people cannot see that golden Sikharam. And Nastikas, those who doesn't believe Vedas, cannot see that Sikharam. Oh my dear soldiers, Pranamya Sirasa Sailam Tam Vimargatavanaraha. You all bow your head, do namaskaram to that golden Sikharam, and then search for Sita Devi everywhere. And from there, if you go further down, you will see one mountain called Suryavantam. If you cross that mountain, you will see another mountain called Vaidyuta Parvatam. On that Parvatam, on that mountain, the trees, whatever the fruit you want, those trees gives you the same fruit. Tatra bhuktva vararhani moolani cha phalani cha. You all eat your food there, drink all the honeys, and from there again you start searching for Sita Devi. If you go further down, you will find Kunjaram, the mountain. On that mountain, Agastya Mahamuni's palace is there. That house is built by Vishwakarma. And if you cross that house of Agastya Mahamuni, you will see one town, Bhogavati. That town belongs to all the serpents. Serpents lives in there. And big, huge, very poisonous, dreadful serpents will be protecting that entire town. And Sarparajo Mahapragno Yasyam Vasati Vasukihi. Vasuki, the king of all the serpents, he lives over there. Oh my dear soldiers, like this, as I suggested, keep going further down and keep on searching every place for Sita Devi. Like that, Sugriva giving orders to all the Vanaras. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 69th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Kalanemiha Saurihi Suraha Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesaha Kesavaha Kesiha Harihi. Kalanemiha Sauris Suras Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesaha Kesavah Kesiha Harihi. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Kesighne Namaha. Om Kesighne Namaha. ఓం కేశిఘ్నే నమః.